today we're going to learn the word certain. I'm going to use it in a sentence for you. I was certain I turned in my homework. Everyone say the word certain. Great. Now I'm going to clap the word to hear the syllables. This tricky word has more than one syllable. Watch me. Certain. Now you try it with me. Certain. How many syllables did you hear? Great. There are 2 syllables in this word. So I'm going to have 2 syllables on my board. Now we have to work on the first syllable. So I'm going to say the first syllable, sir. I'm going to finger stretch that syllable, s-er. There are 2 phonemes in the first syllable, so I'm going to darken those up a little bit. Now, we would expect to see the letter S here for s, but this is the tricky part in the first syllable. S, the s sound, is really spelled with a C in this word. Now, what letter would you expect to see in That's right, there is an R there, but because every syllable has to have a vowel in it, we have to spell the sound with E and R. So the first part of certain, or the first syllable of certain, is tricky. Now let's do the last syllable in certain. I'm going to finger stretch it. T, e, n. I hear 3 phonemes. So I'm going to try to spell those phonemes. The first phoneme, t, is what you'd expect. We would expect to see a T there, and it is. The last part, t, e, n, what letter would you expect to see? That's right. That's not tricky in this word. It's an N. The tricky part comes in the middle, t, e, n. The S sound is tricky. In this word, it's spelled with an A and an I. So when I write these 2 syllables together, I get the word certain. Remember, the tricky parts, we expected an S, but it's a C. We expected an R, but it's ER because every syllable has to have a vowel. And we expected an E here, but in this word it's spelled with an A and an I. So let's review. What letter makes the S sound in certain? What letter makes the sound in certain? And what letter makes the E sound in certain? Great. Now I want you to do the first syllable of certain and the second syllable of certain and record them on your whiteboard. Show me. Great. You all remember to spell the tricky parts of the word certain. Now erase your board and try to write the whole word alone. Nice thinking today.